Kamusta mga kaibigan? Welcome to Teddy Berms. Okay. If you have been a subscriber in my channel for the past 7 years, because I have been on YouTube since 2019, on and off, by the way. I started 2019, I think it was August.
Start kami ng August 28, 2019. Oh yeah!
Yeah, August 28. So my first video was on an old camera. I'm using an old camera right now, but it was a really old camera. I think it was my brother's camera. Binili niya yun sa kanyang, and I borrowed it, and I started shooting videos out of nowhere. And you can even see in this old video that they were all annoyed. Like, what the heck are you doing? And even my brother admitted in this video. I'm gonna try to link some old videos, that way you can rewatch it if you like. He even said in this video na annoyed daw sila lahat.
Yung feeling ko nung time na to, nung nagbablog ka, parang naiinis. Naiinis na na-annoy.
Bakit?
Kasi parang hassle kasi na video-video pa. Parang hindi kasi sanay, alam niyo yung feeling na gano'n. Parang hindi naman dating ganun, pero ba't biglang naging ganun? Pag kasi yung bagong vlogger pa lang yung kasama mo sa ano, alam mo yung feeling na parang naiinis ka kasi parang tanga. Parang tanga.
I studied education sa college, and then nag-Mormon mission ako for 2 years, and then after that, when I returned, I didn't even work as a teacher, so wasted. So when I started education, served 2-year Mormon mission, and then pag-uwi, I entered the corporate world. So my first job ay sa customer service sa Macy's. So I handled calls about customer support. Actually, almost lahat. Customer support, technical support. Nag-interest talaga sa akin why I started vlogging si Kong TV. So I think I watched his video, pinakaunang video na napanood ko sa kanya ay Blind Date, 2017. I took in really a huge interest in studying video editing. I remember manonood lang ako noon ng mga video editing tutorials, like super basic lang. Since wala naman akong computer nung time na yun, I tried to do it on my phone. Kukuha lang ako ng mga random clips. So random, like yung nag-video lang ako sa room. Minsan yung kaldero ko, videohan ko. And minsan, mag-video ako sa labas. Like, videohan ko yung mga tao na naglalakad. And then yun na, i-edit ko. I would put it on the video editing software. I think that time, I don't even remember kung anong video editing software yun. Pero yun yung mga klase sa mga apps dati. Actually, I think ngayon pa rin. Na every 5 seconds may ads. So I remember doing that a lot. Like, I thought that kind of work was only possible for movies. Like, you would need a supercomputer to do that. But that time, this was around 2018 na. And then, around 2019, bumili ako ng computer. Actually, bumili ako ng laptop na capable siya mag-edit, pero napakabagal ng kanyang exporting process since wala kasi siyang video card. So, nung time na yun, bumili ako ng laptop. Kung ano lang ang naipon ko. So, I was working in a company, and then that time, sakto lang talaga yung sahod. Ang reason din na nakaipon ako was nasa boarding house kasi kami ng kapatid ko in Davao. Here in these videos, like that boarding house, we only paid, I think, 1,700 pesos per month. It was a very small room. It was actually a room na good for one person. We weren't rich. So, nag-share kami ng isang room. And then, nag-work kami dalawa ng brother ko sa same company, pero hindi the same account. So, when I say that under same company, pero iba yung client. So ako, I was working on customer support, and then my brother was working on real estate. Anyway, so that time bumili ako ng laptop, and then I started to do vlogging. I take a lot of random videos, like hindi talaga sila connected na videos, like minsan video ng room, video ng office, video ng mug ko, like iniinom ko yung mug, and then tinatry ko siyang i-stitch together. Parang inaaral ko yung way kung paano siya maging vlog for YouTube. Kasi walang mentor eh. Hindi kagaya sa ibang mga nagsa-start na content creator na meron silang mentor, meron silang friend na nagba-vlog din. Hindi nga pumasok sa isip ko yung money, yung pera. Yung akin lang is I really like recording videos and stitching them together and producing some sort of like a movie. And then fast forward a couple of months later, doon na ako nag-attempt na mag-vlog. So I picked up my brother's DSLR camera, and then the video turned out to be okay and decent naman. And then when I edited it, I was super happy kasi finally na ganito pala yung paggawa ng vlog. So like, dapat ang videos mo ay connected. So when I made that vlog, hindi ko pa siya in-upload sa YouTube. Nag-isip pa ako ng name ng channel. And I was thinking, man, ano kaya name ng channel? Pwede kaya name ko na lang. And then naisip ko, pangit man yung name ko eh. Rafael Lihay Tanbermoy. And then naisip ko, nung nag-Mormon mission kasi ako, yung tawag sa akin, karamihan ng mga friends ko dun ay Teddy Bermoy. Kasi yung apelido ko is Bermoy. Kaya tinatawag nila sa akin is Teddy Bermoy. So, ang ginawa ko is, yun na lang. Teddy Berms. So, yun ang naging name ng channel, Teddy Berms. And initially, yung plan ko talaga before sa Teddy Berms was lifestyle videos lang, yung mga vlogs, yung mga entertaining, any videos that will make you laugh. Yun ang pinaka nasa mind ko nun. And then, nag-transition ako in making reviews sa motor kasi parang mas madaming views. And then, parang it took me to a path kung saan hindi ko naman talaga siya passion. Like, meron akong alam sa pagmumotor. Meron din akong alam sa like, may knowledge ako about motorcycles. Pero, hindi ko siya kayang i-sustain na lahat lang ng content ay motor. And then, eventually, kung napapansin nyo, puro din cars. After months, years of parang mixing, parang naging halo-halo na yung channel ko ba. Parang may content na funny, and then may content na vlog, and then biglang puro mga motor for like the next 4 uploads, puro mga motor. And then, babalik na naman doon. So, that cycle kind of went that way. And then eventually, medyo nawala yung interest dahil nagka-family na ako. 2 years after ako magpakasal and then nagkaanak, yung nanay ko naman ay nagka-cancer. I started the channel 2019, and then just as the channel was doing really good na COVID. So after COVID, next year 2021 nagpakasal ako, and then nagkaanak agad kami. So 2022 nanganak yung asawa ko, and then 2023 yung nanay ko ay nagka-cancer. I took a very long break. So kung napansin nyo, ang daming mga months na hindi ako nag-upload. Kasi guys, pag tinitignan ko kasi yung channel ko, and every time I look at the old videos na nandun yung mama ko, I feel sad whenever I see it. So that was, pag tinitignan ko yung channel ko, it's something na ayaw kong siyang balikan. Like, I don't wanna touch it. I don't wanna go back to it yet. Yun yung iniisip ko palagi. Yeah, she passed away January 2025. Tapos nilibing yung nanay ko, birthday ko din. So, ang birthday ko ay January 23. So, that day, nilibing din si mama. And actually, pinili ko siya. So, it may sound dark and it may sound, ano ba yan, nakaka-depress naman. Pero, I purposely chose it para every year, pag nag-birthday ako, I wanna spend it dun sa cemetery kung saan siya nilibing. So right now, I'm thinking of getting back on my feet and gusto ko ulit maging si Teddy Burns. And I wanna be the me. Kasi kung papanoorin niyo yung mga old ko ng mga videos, may persona ako dun. So, napaka maingay, magalaw, tapos madaldal.
Are you ready? Nova 3i footage coming up. Woo! This is the footage of Nova 3i. How does it look? Is different. Nga pala kanina yung sinot ko, yung gamit ko is the GoPro Hero 7 Black.
Kaya I'm hoping na sa pagbalik ko nitong pag-vlog, I can be kung sino talaga ako, si Rafael Bermoy, si Teddy Burns. I hope that I get to inspire you in the next videos, in the future videos. So for this, I just want to share kung ano ang nasa top ko ng mind, and it turned out to be a history kung ano ang Teddy Burns, how it started, and ano talaga ang nangyari over the course of the years. So if you're a solid follower na nanonood ka nito, please comment down below kung anong pinakaunang video ko na napanood mo. And if you're a new follower, still comment. I also wanna do the giveaways again. When I started my channel, I wasn't even monetized. Actually, I haven't even got any like, I know my channel has ads. It hasn't even returned any of the investments that I gave. So for one would be like, number one would be the time. Yeah. And number two would be the gadgets na binili ko. So before I invested in gadgets, meron akong GoPro Hero 7. So yung may ibang mga vlogs ako dyan na was shot with the Canon M50. It was a nice camera. I really liked it. But hindi siya para sa akin kasi nababalkihan ako. Like pag naglalakad ako sa labas, napakaganda. Wala akong masasabi sa quality ng video, pero sobrang ganda niya. Masyado lang siyang bulky sa akin. After ko siya binenta, wala na akong naging camera. And then yung brother ko, binigay niya sa akin yung GoPro Hero 9 niya, which I actually used for like a good 6 months sa channel, and then nasira din siya. Ganon din yung issue. Go overheat. Tapos hindi na ganun yung mga sakit ng mga GoPro eh. Mag-overheat, tapos hindi na mag-on out of nowhere. Hindi na siya na mag-turn on. I'm actually using the camera sa laptop ko, the webcam, which I hope okay siya. So I don't know kung okay ba to, hindi. So if it turns out bad, I'm really sorry. Hopefully in the future I get to share to you more about the beauties of the Philippines. I plan to make content that brings value. The motto of the channel is bringing value to the universe. So please subscribe and let me know if you want more videos like this, or if you have any suggestions to what kind of video you want to see. Let me know, because we'll see. I'll see you in more videos. I'll probably upload as frequently as I can. Hindi ako magpa-promise kasi dati nag-promise ako na mag-upload ako 2 times a week. Kasi hindi naman nangyari. And then I promised once a week, tas hindi naman nangyari. So I'm just gonna upload as frequent as I can. So turn the bell icon on so that way manonotify kayo. Follow din kayo sa Facebook page ko. Because sometimes I post content there na hindi kaya ma-post dito sa YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Teddy Burns out.